bears joining us on stage, and let me introduce them to you. The small brown ones are the Cineris vultures. They can be found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. And the two lovely ladies right there are the marble storks, also known as the old man stork. If you take a look at them, you will know why. In fact, all these birds coexist together in the wild when they are feeding on a huge carcass, just like the one right there. The vultures are very important birds to the environment. They help reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. And that is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, some of them are rapid